Hello, my name is Kenneth Wang, and today I'll be going over how to simplify factorial expressions with a variable inside. So, you can see here our first problem, n plus 4 factorial over n factorial. At first, when you're looking at this problem, you might not know what to do. But first, as always, let's just substitute n. So let's say n is equal to 2 in this case. So we have 2 and 2 over here. It will be 6 factorial over 2 factorial. So it will just like substitute. And so what you could do is you can just write out all the numbers that correspond to n plus 4. So you have n plus 4. Let me erase it. So n plus 4 factorial is the same thing as n plus 4 times n plus 3 times n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n factorial. Let's just say, if this were to be 6, it'll be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 1. So you can cancel out n factorial, and you're left with this entire expression here, which is your answer. So for this problem, n minus 1 factorial, n plus 2 factorial, we want to look at which side of the variable is bigger. Whichever one the bigger one is, we're going to subtract 1 from each time to expand it out. See at the bottom, n plus 2 factorial is greater than n minus 1, so we're going to expand this out. So n plus 2 factorial is the same as n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial. So, once again, you can just cancel out n minus 1 factorial, and you're left with your answer 1 over n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n. And, if you can't understand this yet, you can always just plug in numbers. Like here, let's say n is equal to 3. So this would be 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 2 factorial divided by 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. You see here, 2 factorial, they cancel out. So it actually works. This is a rule you could use to apply in real math. So, yep. Hope you guys learned something today.